Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Door Gasket Kit 3 Panai for Vulcan Hart part #00-857085-00001. The Door Gasket Kit 3 Panai for Vulcan Hart part #00-857085-00001 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. This kit includes 3 gaskets that are designed to fit the doors of the ovens. The gaskets are made of high-quality silicone rubber and are designed to provide a tight seal between the door and the oven body, preventing heat loss and ensuring efficient cooking. The kit also includes installation instructions and mounting hardware. This kit is compatible with all Vulcan Hart commercial oven models, including convection, combi, deck, A. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gasket kit is used to replace worn or damaged door gaskets on Vulcan Hart ovens. It can help to fix issues such as poor insulation, air leaks, and inefficient cooking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by cleaning the area around the door frame where the gasket will be installed. Make sure to remove any dirt, dust, or debris that may be present. 2. Place the gasket into the door frame and align it with the existing holes in the frame. 3. Secure the gasket in place using screws or rivets, depending on your model. Make sure to use screws or rivets that are compatible with your model of Vulcan Hart oven. 4. Once all screws or rivets are in place, use a screwdriver to tighten them securely. 5. Test the gasket by closing and opening the door. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.